Artificial intelligence has profoundly and subtly altered the world during the past 10 years. Every smartphone included voice recognition as a basic proof of concept. Artificial intelligence will advance more in the upcoming 10 years than it did in the previous 50 years put together. This influence will soon affect every part of our lives, with innumerable applications to business, government, and personal life that are rapidly approaching. Welcome to the channel, subscribe, get ready to delve and dive into the future of artificial intelligence. In recent years, artificial intelligence AI has grown in importance as a discussion topic. As technology develops, artificial intelligence is being used more and more in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and transportation. AI has the ability to completely change how we work and live, but it also brings up uncertainties and worries about the future. The creation of autonomous systems is one of the main areas of the future of AI. This includes autonomous vehicles, drones, and robots that can function without human input and make decisions on their own. While this technology may increase efficiency and safety, it also raises questions about job loss and the moral ramifications of relying on machines to produce most of the world's goods. Future AI research will also concentrate on improving natural language processing and comprehension. Machines will be able to communicate with humans more efficiently and fluidly as they improve their capacity for interpreting and producing human language. Customer service, healthcare, and even education are affected by this. Advances in machine learning and deep learning will also influence the direction of AI. Machines that can learn and adapt on their own thanks to these technologies will eventually become more effective and efficient. We may anticipate seeing more complex uses of AI in a variety of industries as these capabilities continue to advance. Artificial intelligence is meant to supplement human abilities and assist us in making complex decisions that have broad implications. That is the solution from a technological perspective. From a philosophical standpoint, artificial intelligence has the ability to enable people lead more fulfilling lives free of labor-intensive tasks and to manage the intricate web of interconnected people, businesses, states, and countries, so that it functions in a way that benefits all of mankind. Presently, the goal of artificial intelligence is the same as the goal of all the many tools and methods that we have developed over the previous thousands of years to reduce human effort and aid in decision-making. Artificial intelligence has also been called our final invention, a development that would produce groundbreaking products and services that, if successful, will drastically alter how we live our lives by reducing conflict, inequality, and misery. We're still a long way off from those types of outcomes, so that's all in the far future. Artificial intelligence is mostly utilized by businesses today to increase process efficiency, automate labor-intensive processes, and generate business predictions based on facts rather than intuition. Like with all previous technology, corporations and governmental organizations must fund the costs of research and development before the general public may access it. AI is utilized in a variety of fields to provide data-driven suggestions and insights into user behavior. Google's predictive search algorithm, for instance, uses user history to foretell what a user will put next in the search field. To keep users hooked on the service and lengthen watch times, Netflix uses historical user data to suggest what movie they would want to watch next. Facebook automatically suggests friends to tag based on facial traits in their photographs by using historical user data. Large organizations employ AI everywhere to simplify the lives of end users. The following list includes a few examples of how artificial intelligence is used in data processing. Data searching and search optimization to produce the most pertinent results, if-then logic chains that are used to carry out a series of instructions dependent on parameters to find noteworthy patterns in a huge dataset and gain novel insights, pattern detection, using probabilistic models to make predictions about the future. What sectors of industry will AI change? Specifically, narrow AI, which executes objective functions using data-trained models and frequently falls into the category of deep learning or machine learning, has already had an impact on practically every significant business. The proliferation of connected devices, strong IoT connectivity, and ever-faster computer processing have all contributed to a significant increase in data collecting and analysis during the past few years. While some industries are just beginning their AI journey, others are seasoned travelers. Both still have a way to go. Whatever the case, it's difficult to ignore the impact AI is having on our daily lives. With a vast number of potential application cases, AI really has the power to revolutionize many businesses. These many sectors and use cases all have one thing in common: they are all data-driven. As artificial intelligence is fundamentally an effective data processing system, there is a ton of room for improvement. Healthcare. AI technologies are assisting with ordinary, everyday administrative chores in the healthcare industry to reduce human error and increase productivity. NLP transcriptions of medical records help organize patient information so that clinicians can read them more easily. In non-emergency scenarios, patients can contact an AI system at a hospital to analyze their symptoms, enter their vital signs, and determine whether they require medical assistance. By bringing just the most urgent instances to the attention of medical specialists, this lessens their workload. Aided diagnosis. AI is now able to read MRI scans to look for tumors and other malignant growths at an exponentially faster rate than radiologists can, with a significantly lower margin of error thanks to computer vision and convolutional neural networks. Robotic surgery. Robotic surgery has a very small margin of error and can reliably execute surgeries 24 hours a day without becoming fatigued. They are less intrusive than conventional techniques because, to their high degree of precision, which can save the amount of time patients need to recover in the hospital. Vital stats monitoring. Continual evaluation of a person's health is necessary to assess how well they're doing. Wearable technology is increasingly widely used. However, this data is not readily accessible and needs to be analyzed to provide useful insights. There are numerous applications that could save lives because vital signs have the ability to forecast changes in health even before the patient is aware of them. E-commerce. When asked about business applications of AI, this is typically the first example people mention because it's a field in which AI has already produced excellent results. The majority of major online retailers now utilize artificial intelligence to suggest products to users that they might find interesting, which has significantly increased their bottom lines. Another well-known example is chatbots, which have proliferated throughout various businesses and on every website we visit, it seems. Now that these chatbots are available, human resources are no longer a bottleneck for helping clients at peak and off-peak times. Filtering spam and fraudulent reviews. With the volume of reviews that websites like Amazon receive, it would be impossible for human eyes to manually comb through them and identify harmful information. Better customer experiences result from artificial intelligence's use of NLP to check these reviews for questionable activity and filter it out. Enhancing search. The success of all online commerce hinges on customers being able to find what they're looking for when they search for it. To make sure that users find the precise product they're looking for, artificial intelligence has been optimizing search results based on thousands of parameters. AI is being utilized in the supply chain to forecast demand for various items over various time frames so that they can manage their inventories to satisfy. Human resources. Creating a work culture. AI is being used to analyze employee data and put them in the appropriate teams, assign tasks based on their competencies, get feedback about the workplace, and even try to forecast whether they're going to leave their firm. Hiring. Using NLP, AI can quickly scan through hundreds of CVs to determine whether a candidate is suitable as a fit. This is advantageous since recruiting cycles would be significantly shortened and free of biases and human error. Stuart Russell, a well-known AI expert from around the world, made light of his formal agreement with journalists that I won't talk to them unless they agree to not put a Terminator robot in the article while delivering a speech at London's Westminster Abbey in late 2018. His remark demonstrated his evident disdain for the exaggerated and doomsday-like nature of Hollywood's portrayals of futuristic AI. Artificial general intelligence, or human-level AI, is a concept that has long served as the stuff of science fiction, but it has very little possibility of being realized anytime soon or at all. Until we achieve something that approaching human-level AI, significant advancements must still be made, according to Russell. Russell also made the observation that AI is not yet fully capable of fully comprehending English. This demonstrates a key distinction between humans and AI at this time. Whereas humans can interpret and comprehend machine language, AI cannot do the same for human language. AI systems would be able to read and comprehend every piece of writing ever created, though, if we ever get to a point where it can comprehend our languages. Thank you for watching and follow for more.